you. You know the answer, let me see your hand up. Okay, I think I saw your hand first. Okay, you, right?
369.
Okay, 369. We have every, listen to me. We have any other person?
360.
360, any other person?
453.
453. Okay.
460.
Please, a round of applause for her, first of all. A round of applause for her. A round of applause for her. Actually, she's correct. The question says, how many members of the National Assembly? The National Assembly comprises of the House of Representatives, 300 awards, and the Senate House, which is 100 awards. 360 plus 109 makes what? 569. Please a round of applause for her. And for explaining the answer, a round of applause for me, please for me. From Examguide, we present this to you, 3,000 naira worth of fee. Number two, okay. So number two, it's like you have seen the answer of this number two. It's like you see the number, the answer. So let's have a look. Okay. The question is, what is a disease causing autism called? Okay, so what is the answer, please? Please, a round of applause for me. Okay, so you just went for 3,000 naira in gold form. What class are you? Guess what? Very good. When you go, pick your phone, go to Play Store, download Examguide Basic. Basic is BECE. When you download it, you will use this pin to activate that app for you. You need to use, okay? Number one. Four. Let's have number four. Let's have question number four. Alright, look at this. Hey, look at this. Let's see. What is the sum of the exterior angles of a decagon? What is the sum of the exterior angle of a decagon? What is the sum? Who knows? Okay? Come. If you know the answer, please come. Alright, so what's the answer? What? 1,000. No. No. Let's hear. 360 degrees. Can you? Is it possible you explain? Can you explain? No, like I will explain, but you don't know that it's 360. A round of applause for her. 360 degrees is the correct answer. Number one. All right. Come. I hope you know. You won't participate in this answer because you were there. Okay, that's why you're there. All right. So number one. Okay. Listen to it. Listen to the question, listen. It is an open secret that the police takes bribe. It is an open secret that the police takes bribe. The underlying word is open secret. Now the question is, what figure of speech? If you say the answer, somebody will hear it. What figure of speech is underlined in the sentence above? So, Favor has found you. Yes, favor has found you. Now, for you to get this question correctly, and when this right, you must explain why you choose what you want to do. Okay, because just make any figure of speech to want to come faster about you get the answer and you say you're confident. So,
because it's a part of speech. It's a figure of speech.
Classification is a figure of speech. multiplication?
So 0 puts two opposites in one.
Give a round of applause. Come on, if you're not jealous, you're happy. A round of applause. Okay, so what else are you? SS2. SS2, right? And your arms. Science. Very good. So, we have given SS class now. That's question 5, right? Okay, give us question 5. Now look at this. A car is moving at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second. What is the acceleration? A car, listen to me. Listen. A car is moving at a constant velocity at 10 meters per second. Okay, wait. Hold on. The movie we just watched now. The movie we just watched. What is his name? Hand of physics. Not giving the answer, not knowing that there is something about the question. So calm down. It's when you say it's not complete. Calm down. Understand the question very well. Now, okay, now. The question says, this is for SS1 and SS2. A car is moving at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second. What is the acceleration? Listen. Some of you that say it's not correct, this is what you answer my place. 0. Why?
Because it's constant velocity. Speed is not easy.
Thank you, Lord! So, a car that is running at a constant velocity, there is no change in that velocity, so there won't be any acceleration will happen. Please, a round of applause for me, please. A round of applause. The answer is 0. So, on behalf of Examguide, we present this to you. It's like the manner of this competition right now. Thank you very much. Let's take a picture.
The punishment is severe. You will be flogged in front of the whole school. You will be suspended from school.
Rubies. When you and your group plotted against him, he knew and heard everything. When he stole the teacher's phone, he saw him.